Welcome to easy living in sought-after Eagle Harbor. This beautifully updated condo offers an open floor plan with high ceilings and a spacious first-floor primary suite featuring a remodeled ensuite bath. The large family room with fireplace flows into an updated kitchen with ample counter space, making it perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Upstairs, you will find 3 additional bedrooms offering flexibility for guests, home office, or hobbies. Step outside to enjoy the oversized Trex deck backing to wooded privacy, creating a peaceful outdoor retreat. Major updates include new windows and sliding glass door in 2025, new water heater in 2025, and new window blinds throughout. The attached 2-car garage adds convenience and storage. Eagle Harbor amenities include a pool, clubhouse, stocked